In today's class, we are going to learn about three important topic, which is perimeter, area, and volume. Okay, may sound new to you, but by the end of the
No,
class,
it's not new.
not new. Okay, so we started with perimeter. Okay, and in perimeter, what is this perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of all outside of the shape. Okay. For example, let's begin with square. So, Kavya, what is square?
Square has four sides and four vertices.
Very good. And what special in square is the all sides are equal. Okay. So, if we want to calculate the perimeter of this square, so we know that the all sides are equal. We can say like this is one side, this is second, the third one, and fourth. Right? They all are equal. And perimeter means sum of all sides, which means we can write it like this way. Perimeter equals side plus side plus side
Then,
plus side. Okay? We need to add this 4 times, or in simpler way, Kavya, can we write it like this? Side times with 4 times with side. Is it okay?
okay.
What are you writing, Kavya?
I'm just copying what the perimeter volume, like in copying the
You don't
topic.
need to copy. You have your class sheet, right?
Mm.
Everything is written there. Everything is written there. Whatever
Okay.
I'm explaining, each and everything is there already. You don't need to note it out. Okay? Just look into the board and try to understand. So, Kavya, are you agree that? Can we write this perimeter as side plus side plus side plus side?
It's like a square. If we're quick and short way, you can just do 4 times side.
Yeah, in simpler way, we can write 4 times side. Okay?
Yes,
And that's the formula of the perimeter
square.
of a square. Okay? This is like perimeter of square equals 4 times side.
4 times side.
Now, come to rectangle. In rectangle, is the all sides are equal.
Yeah, like square, but there's more longer shape.
Yeah, rectangle just like square, but the difference is here all sides are equal, but in rectangle it was not like that.
Mm-mm.
Only the opposite sides are equal. Means this side equal to that side, this side equal to that side. Okay, we can say it like length. This one is length, and this
And
one
width,
width. Yeah, width or
or we
breadth.
can say breadth.
Yeah, breadth as well. So if this is length, so this is also length, and we can simply denote it like L. Okay. And if this is W, so this one is also W because both are same. Okay. Now try to write the formula for this. Perimeter of rectangle equals what? This length, which is L, then W, then this length, and then that W. Okay. So Kavya, are you agree that we have two length? Can we write it like 2L?
We can do 2 times length.
Then 2 times width. Okay.
Yeah.
Now this 2 and that 2 is actually common in between this both. So we can simply write it like 2 times with L plus W. Is it okay? And that's the formula of perimeter of a
Perimeter.
rectangle. So the perimeter of a rectangle equals 2 times length plus width. Okay? So we didn't memorize the formula. We created ourselves. Okay? And that's much easier than remember. If you create the formula by yourself, then you can easily remember that how, from where it came from, why we are writing like this way. Okay? So this is the perimeter of a square and that is the perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, now tell me, what is the perimeter of a square, Kavya?
Square is like when the side plus side plus side.
No, just this formula. Remember, just this.
4 times side.
Yeah. What is the perimeter of a rectangle?
Rectangle is equal to like 2
Times
2
width?
2 times length times width. 2 times length plus 2 times width.
Yeah, 2 times length plus 2 times width, and in shorter we can say 2 times length plus width.
Width.
Okay. Yeah. The sum of length and width. Okay. That's actually the adjacent side. These two are the adjacent side. Okay. Sometimes we have some different shapes. Their length and width with compound shape. With length and width are not same always. Okay. We can draw. Okay. May I rub this? You understand both? Okay.
Yes.
So sometimes we have some compound shape. We can draw it like this way, whose length and width is actually not fixed. Shape like this, that, those. Okay.
Okay. What's this shape?
Yeah.
It's very light shape.
This is, yeah, I make it darker so it's clearly visible to you. Is it okay now?
Yeah, now it's okay.
So this is compound shape. Okay.
What's that?
So here for this, I'm giving you the side length of each and every side. Like this is the value of this length is actually 8 unit. This one is maybe 3 unit. This one is 4. That one is 6. The 8 is too big here, right? We can write like this is 4, so this is 2, or this is 8. This one is 3, or that one is 1. This one is 10. Okay?
Find the
No, this
perimeter.
one is 12. Yes. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if I ask you to calculate the perimeter of this shape, so you know that in simpler way we can just say perimeter is what? The sum of all outside length. Okay? So here we can see, okay, what I need to do in this, I need to add up all the outside length. So this one is 2 plus you can simply write perimeter equals 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 12 plus 8. So that's actually, if you add all these, that actually the perimeter of this shape. Okay? This way you can calculate. Sometimes what they did is they just write it like this way. They remove this part and then can say calculate the perimeter of this shape. So sometimes child wondering, okay, how can we calculate this? We don't know the side length of this. Yes, Kavya.
So like if you want to figure out that bit, then you always have to do like so the bits which are like horizontal.
top
You have to
part, right?
add those. You have to add all of those, and that will give you the answer to it.
Very good. So the approach is you can do like this way. This is 2, so that is also 2,
Mm.
right? From here to there, this is 2. Okay. Now, the whole are 6. So this one also is 6. This is 4. So that is also 4. So if you add all these 3, you can get the side length of this. Okay. Sometimes they draw like this way so that you can clearly see that the both sides are equal. Okay. So they just give one value that this is 7. So you can clearly understand if this is 7, so that one is also 7.
Good.
Okay. So sometimes some part is missing. Some side length is missing, but you need to
See that?
understand. Okay. How can you calculate that? How would you be able to calculate that? And if all sides are given, then what all you need to do is just add all of those and you got the perimeter. Is it easy, Kavya?
Easy.
Very good. May I give you a few questions?
Yes, please.
Okay. Yeah. Please calculate the perimeter of this shape.
Okay. You have to find the perimeter. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 13, 13. Is the perimeter 32?
32.
I'll check again. 32. 32? How can I not be 32?
32.
That's what I said before.
You said 33.
I said 32 before.
Oh. Okay. How did you calculate that?
I first figured out what the missing one was by
This is
doing. So I did like 3 add 5, which is 8, and then 10 take away 8, which is 2. So you know the upper bit
very
2. And then I just added them all together.
okay. Very good, Kavya.
What's the next
Sorry for my
question?
misunderstanding.
It's okay.
Now you have this rectangle, okay, whose length is 6 and width is 4. Calculate the perimeter of this rectangle.
Question 2. It's a rectangle.
Yeah.
Okay. 6, 4, 6, 4. That's the have to figure out the perimeter. Is equal to
Kavya, stop doing this.
what?
Kavya, please stop. You are taking so long. Very easy thing. You
Oh,
just what you need to do is just 6 plus 4, which is 10, and times this with 2, 20.
20.
Very easy. Why are you taking so long?
I just
Don't be fool like doing this way. 6 plus then 4 plus then 6 plus then 4. No. Okay? Don't be fool. Okay, Kavya? Try to do it smartly. Right? We know that. What is perimeter? Sum of a adjacent side times this with 2.
okay.
Okay. Now, you have one square, okay? Whose side length is actually 7. Calculate the perimeter of this square.
Perimeter is 28.
Yeah, very good. This is actually
Okay.
a smarter way. You know that the one is 7, so all are 7, 7. Okay, you just need to times this with 4, and you can easily got your answer, which is 28. Very good. Now, please try question number 2 from your sheet.
Number
This is given in, not question number 2, sorry, question number 15. Given in page number 7.
page number 7.
Yeah.
What? 14.
15, 1 5.
Find the perimeter of a square with its side 2.5 millimeters. 2.0. Question 4. Find square and each side. 2.5. 2.5.
We have one square.
Is it 10.0? Just 10.
Yeah. The side length is
perimeter
2.5
10?
millimeter. Okay. And you know, do it wisely. Put the unit very wisely. Okay. What the unit
Is it 10?
10 millimeter. Okay.
Okay. It'll be 1 centimeter.
Yeah. But question didn't ask about the change the unit and all. Okay. So whatever unit they give you can write in same unit. Now try question number 17. A rectangle whose length is 0.75 meter and 0.25 centimeter. So not this is also meter. Sometimes Kavya, they may give this unit in centimeter. Okay. For example, they just say 25 centimeter. And you know that 25 is actually 0.25 meter.
I'm just kind of for this question. Perfect. 15. Is it 2? Is it 2? Is it 2
Yeah.
meters?
Very good. Okay. So that's all about perimeter. Okay. One more question given on compound shape. Please try this one as well.
What is that question?
This is 8. This one is 2. This is 3. That is also 8. This is 3. This is 3. This one is 3. That one is 2. Calculate the perimeter of this shape.
So the big side is 8. Is there a side missing? We have to calculate.
Which side is missing?
The side of we have to just find it out. Sorry,
Nothing is missing in this.
I thought there was something missing. So 8 to 10. 18. I'm just trying to think of a fast method.
Sorry?
I'm thinking of a fast method. 12, 4, 16, 32. 32?
Oh, sorry, I didn't calculate it. So, yeah. So the perimeter of the shape is 32. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So in word problem question, how can we understand that, okay, they are asking about the perimeter. So whenever they ask that this is the rectangular field, okay, and one boy want to complete 3 lap or 1 lap from this field. So Kavya, you agree? The boy must run on its boundary, right? They run from here to there, then there, then there. One other thing is, if we have one garden, okay, and we want to fence it out, okay, so in that time also we are finding the perimeter, because fencing is done in boundary of the garden, not inside the garden. Okay, so you have to understand that we need to calculate perimeter here. Okay, for example, they may ask one question like this, that farmer has a rectangular park, okay, or field, and he want to fence around. The length of the field is this, the width of this field is that. Please calculate how much cost, I mean, what is the total cost he paid to the labor. For example, this is like, for this rectangular garden, the labor charged the farmer as £2 per meter. £2 per meter. Okay. So what will be the overall expense of fencing this garden? How you calculate this? So okay, for fencing, I need to calculate the perimeter. Why perimeter? Then only I understand like how much total cost is needed, because fencing is done in the outside boundary. So for the perimeter of this shape is actually what? 2 meter?
Yeah, 2 meter.
2 meter. Okay. And they charge us £2 per meter. If they
2
fetch
pounds.
1 meter, this £2 per meter means what? If they fetch 1 meter, we need to pay them £2.
2 meter. I mean,
Okay. This £2 per meter means we need to pay them
£2 per
£2.
meter.
We need to pay them £2 for 1
We,
meter. So our total distance is actually 2 meter only. Means we need to pay them.
we need to pay them. Wait, so you have to pay them
This 2 per meter means
£4. You have to pay them £4.
Sorry?
£4. £4.
Yeah, £4. For 1 meter, we need to pay them £2. So for 2 meter, we need to pay them 2 times 2, which is £4. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, question based on this figure. A runner complete 3 laps in this square field whose side length is 2.5 millimeter, or 2.5, we can say not 2.5, we just say 17 meter. Okay.
Okay.
Side length is 17 meter and
Yeah.
runner complete 3 laps. So in 1 lap equals what? Perimeter of this square. So calculate the total distance covered by the runner. Just take 7, not 17. It's too much then. Okay, let me explain the question again, Kavya. A runner want to complete 3 laps in this square field whose side length is 7 meter. Calculate the total distance covered by the runner. Okay.
And the 28 meter.
38.
28.
28 is 1 lap, Kavya. If they complete 1 lap, the total distance is 28. But the runner complete 3 laps.
28.
So 28 times we need to time this with 3, right?
Yep, and I think I got the answer. Is it 84?
Yeah, very good. So answer will be 84.
84 meter.
Yeah. So this way we can calculate we can understand like how they're asking about perimeter or what. Okay.
Okay.
The next thing is,
Area.
this time we didn't want paint our garden. This time the farmer want to cover the garden with grass. Okay. For this, we didn't measure around the shape because we need to put grass in the whole garden, right? So whenever we need to measure this whole distance, what is it? So this is actually area. Okay. Perimeter means what? Just the boundary length. Perimeter is just the boundary length. Okay. But area means the total surface. Okay. How much they cover. So when we want to cover this garden with grass, we didn't build the fencing this time. So we need to know how much space the garden is. How much space is there inside this garden? Right? How much space is there inside this garden? So that is nothing but area. Okay? Yeah. So this is the length and that is the width. Okay. So just take one example. For example, we have one bigger box and we are putting small cube inside it. The side length of this is actually 1 and 1. The side length of the small cube is 1 centimeter. Okay? Then one more, then one more, then one more. Okay? And here also we have this, then that, this. Listen carefully, Kavya. Okay. So for this figure, you can say how much cube we needed for this space. You can say if this is 1, so the all cubes are same actually. So we needed total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right? So instead of adding multiple times, we can just simply multiply that part. So if this is 1, so that is also 1. So total length from here to there is 2. Right? If this is 1, that is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. The total length is actually 4. Right? So if I say that how much cube box we needed in this, you can simply say 4 times 2, which is
4 times 2, which is 8.
And if you started counting, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 8 boxes. Right? So that actually the area. That is nothing but area.
Yeah.
Calculating area, we need 2 times the length with its width. Okay? So what is the area of this garden? You can simply say area equals
Length times width.
Of rectangle equals length times width. Okay? Now think about the unit. Whenever we multiply this 4, for example, the length is 4 and width is 3. So area will be 4 times 3. Okay. If we can just take one example. If the length is 4 centimeter and width is 3 centimeter. So area will be what? 4 centimeter times with 3 centimeter, right? So when we times this 4 with 3, this will be 12. Okay. And what about this centimeter? Centimeter times with centimeter will be what?
Centimeter. Will be area.
2 times 2. Can we write it like 2 with the index of 2?
Yeah.
3 times 3 will be 3 with index of 2.
Yes.
4 times 4 will be 4 with the power of 2. All are correct? So whenever we are times the same thing, so in simpler way, we can just write it with raised with power of how many times we are multiplying. So here we are multiplying this centimeter 2 times. Centimeter times with centimeter. So unit must be centimeter square, which is centimeter with the index power of 2. Is it okay? In perimeter, it was not like that because that time we are adding. But this time we are multiplying, right? We are times with. So we need to careful about the unit. In perimeter, the unit is same. Centimeter, then centimeter. Meter, then meter. But in area, the unit is changed a little bit. If meter, then meter square. If centimeter, then centimeter square. Something like this. Okay? Kavya, please, I request you, don't note anything. Each and everything is given in this sheet actually. And all the things are explained very good way. So you don't need to worry about that. Okay? If you are confused in anything, you can ask me. You're free to ask me. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
And if you really want to note it, then first let me finish.
Okay.
And then you can say, please stop, Manvi. I want to note all these things. Okay? If you really
Okay.
want to know. But while I'm explaining, please don't write anything. Because that way you got disturbed. Your mind is situated on the writing, not whatever I'm explaining. I'm also the student, so I understand what's happening. Sometimes our teacher explaining on the board and we try to note it out, note it out. So what happened is sometimes they explain a very good thing, but we didn't understand. Why? Because we are not focusing there. So the main thing is focus in the class.
Okay.
If you really want to note, then you can stop me. I really give you some time. Actually, everything is given in seat, but then also, if you want to note anything, you can stop me. But don't try to write in the between. Okay, Kavya?
Okay.
Good. So that's actually the area of a rectangle. Then what about a square? Because in a square, all side lengths are same, right? This is side, that is also side, or is side actually. So here also, if we times this side with that side, perimeter of a square, what we need to do? We do times length with its width, but this here, length and width are same. So area of a square.
Can you copy this down? Can I
Side,
please copy this down?
sorry.
Can I quickly copy this down?
First, let me explain, then after.
Okay.
So area of a square is what? Side,
Side times side.
side.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
And you can simply write it like this way, side with power of 2. So if I have one square field whose side length is 5 meter, this square field has side length of 5 meter, then what will be the area, Kavya?
Again,
The
the
area
square
of this square field whose side length is 5 meter.
25
25 what? Tell me the
meters.
unit. Yeah?
Meters. The power of 2.
Yeah, meter with power of 2, we can say square. Meter square, centimeter square. Okay? Very good. So area will be 5 meter times with 5 meter, which is 5 meters square. Very good.
Where?
Okay, if you want to
What?
note it out, you can.
You mean 25 meters square? You wrote 5,
Oh,
5
sorry.
meters square.
Thank you. Eagle eye.
I finished copying it down. Now we can.
Okay. Now please try question number 19 from your sheet.
19.
Not 19, sorry. 22. Question number 22.
Is that the 7th page?
Yeah. A rectangle whose side length is actually 6 centimeter and width is 4 centimeter, and you need to calculate the area of this rectangle. Area. So this is what area of rectangle.
24. 24 centimeters with the power of 2.
Very good. 24 centimeters square. Very good. Now, the next one, the area of this square. No, another one more rectangle whose side length is 12 centimeter and 0.5 meter.
Find the area.
Area of this rectangle. This is also centimeter, not meter.
Is it 6? Just 6.
6 what?
6 centimeter with the power of 2.
Very good. Now you have one square whose side length is 0.5 meter. Calculate the area of the square.
What is it? One square. Calculate the area. 0.5 meter. Is it 2.5?
No.
Is it
Because what? This 0.5 meter times with 0.5 meter, right? So while we are multiplying decimals, first we need to forget about the decimal, right? Multiply simply. So 5 times 5 is 25. Okay? Now we need to count the number of decimal place. So here we have 1 and here also we have 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So total number of decimal place is 2.
So
right?
0.25.
Yeah. So answer is 0.25. We never said 25 after decimal, right?
Right.
This will 25. And then this meter square. Okay? Now you have one more rectangle. Side length is 1.5 meter. And this is 1.5. Yeah. What will be the perimeter of this rectangle? Not perimeter, area. Area of this rectangle.
This is different. Cancel 5 times 4, 20. To 3 spots. And then is it 0.020?
0.0?
Is it 0.02?
Yeah, because this 0.5 times with 0.04, 5 times 4 is 20. We have 3 decimal places, so we need to put 1 0 here, and this is the answer.
Questions doing.
Okay, 0.02. Very good. Now we're moving towards different shape, which is now we calculate the area of a rectangle, then parallelogram, then trapezium, so and so. So area of rectangle, for calculating area of rectangle, we must have the base and the height. Okay, this is the triangle. So area of the triangle equals what? This is base, and that is height. This one is base, that one is height. So area of triangle equals half times with base times with height. Okay? Area of triangle equals half times with base times with height. So for triangle, what all we need to do is just need to find out this base and that height.
Okay. Can I quickly write this down?
Okay, sure.
Now you can continue.
Okay, the next figure is parallelogram, which looks like this way, whose opposite sides are parallel. Okay, opposite sides are parallel and equal. This is a parallelogram. So this one is actually the base. For height, we need to draw. This one is actually height. The distance from here to there perpendicularly is height. So area of, please, Kavya, open page number 3 from your seat. You can easily see all this figure and all the formula is already written there. Area of parallelogram.
Oh yeah.
Which
it
is
says base
times with height.
Base.
Base times with
base. Height.
Okay. So that is the area of a parallelogram. The next we have trapezium, which is a bit different from this. For in trapezium, only one opposite sides are equal. One pair for sides equal means this and that side are parallel. This is top and that is the bottom, which is base. Okay. And the height is this actually, this distance is height. So area of trapezium equals half times width. You can write it this way. Half times width. This top plus this bottom, which is base. Okay? And
Okay.
This we know time with height. So we need to add the top side, top and bottom. Okay? Then
what about the height?
Multiply this with half and times with height. Okay. So area of a triangle. Triangle equals half into base into height. Parallelogram. Base times with height. And this is trapezium. So this is top plus base. Top and bottom. We need to add this opposite side.
Top plus base.
And then times this with half and then height. Okay. You know why this parallelogram is just base and height and why this triangle is half base and height? Because Kavya, in trapezium, in this parallelogram, we can draw two triangles. Okay. This is the base, that is the height. So two triangles, that's why. One triangle is half of this parallelogram area. That's why we say half of base and height. Now we have one triangle whose base is 4 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter. Please find the area of this triangle.
12.
No. Area of triangle. The formula is what? Half
Half.
base times
Half
height.
times base. So you have to half the total.
Yeah.
Of 6 times 12.
So this is half, which is 3, then 4. So base is 4, then 3. So this 2, that 2. You can cancel like this way. 2 goes with 4 in 2 times. Now 3 times 2 is 6. So area will be 6 centimeter square. Area is always in a square. Okay?
Okay.
Now we have one different triangle whose base is 2 centimeter and height is 0.8 centimeter. What will be the area of this triangle? Area of this triangle.
0.16.
Please try to calculate. Please put the formula correctly, Kavya. What is the formula of area of triangle? Area of triangle is what, Kavya? Area of triangle is?
There is half times base times height.
Yeah.
I think I know the answer. I'll just figure it out. Is it 12.8? No, it's not.
You have to calculate like this way. The same way.
Is it 1.28?
Just put that base and this height.
Is it 1.28?
How? How that much, Kavya? You need to just put this base 2 here and height 0.8 there.
Times 2 times 0.8. That's what I wrote.
Okay. Here we have base which is 2, right?
Yep.
And height which is 0.8.
That's what I wrote.
Okay. Kavya, are you agree? We can cancel this 2 and that 2.
Yep.
What we have left?
0.8.
So answer will be 0.8 centimeter square because we are calculating area. Very simple. Now, if we have one parallelogram whose area is base times height, not half is needed here. Area of parallelogram is base and height. So the base is 4 centimeter and the height is 2 centimeter. What will be the area of this parallelogram? First, you need to memorize the formula. Area of parallelogram is what?
Area of parallelogram is like half.
No, not half. Area of parallelogram, in area of parallelogram, we don't need half.
It's
Just base times
height.
height. So here base is 4,
Base is 4.
height is
2. 4
so
times
area
2,
is
8.
8 centimeters square. Okay.
Okay.
Now for trapezium, the area is different. This is trapezium whose parallel sides are, this is the height, which is 4 centimeter, and parallel sides are 1 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So area of trapezium is what? Sum of parallel sides. Sorry. Half, then sum of parallel sides, then times with height. So this is half. Sum of parallel side means 5 plus 1, which is 6. Okay. 5 plus 1 is 6. And then times with height,
4.
which is 4. So we can cancel this 2 with this 6 because this 2 goes that 6 3 times and 3 times 4 is 12. So answer will be 12 centimeters square. Okay, Kavya?
Okay.
Now calculate one area of one trapezium, which is 3 centimeter, that is 2 centimeter, and height is 5 centimeter.
Trapezium again.
This side 2, that side 4, height is 5.
6. 6. Is it 15?
Very good. Okay, while while by practicing, you used to all this type of formula, right? First, I think you need to remember a little bit. Then only you're okay with all this. Kavya, I think we need a break. So please meet me at 12, 11.
Okay. Hello.
Yeah, please do question number 24 from your sheet, Kavya.
24.
Yeah. The height of parallelogram is 2 centimeter, base is 4, find the area.
22, right?
No, 24, Kavya.
Oh, 22. Cancel, cancel. Is it just 4?
No? Parallelogram. Don't confuse in the formulas, Kavya.
Okay. Hmm. Let's understand how to do this.
Okay. So this is, we have the height of the parallelogram and base, right? And what is the area of parallelogram, Kavya?
Isn't it half times
No,
2?
in parallelogram, half is not needed. In
Uh,
rectangle, half is needed. Parallelogram, the formula is base times width, height.
oh, I just keep thinking about trapezium. Trapezium. I think parallelogram is trapezium.
Oh, that's it. It's fine. Okay, now tell me, what is the area?
8.
Very good. Very simple, right?
Yep, I just I got confused.
Now, please do 25. Here, trapezium. So be careful. This one is trapezium.
Is it 24? Is it 24?
No. What is the area of a trapezium? You can look into the formula once time because I mean you didn't remember, right? So trapezium formula is what? Sum of top and bottom, half times with top and bottom times with height.
What is that? Five. Is it 20? I think I need help.
Tell me the formula, please.
Is it top times
First is half, then top, which is what?
top which
1
is 1?
plus bottom, which is 5. Okay?
Okay.
And then times with height, which is 4. Sorry, this is 4 actually. Now, 5 plus 1 is 6. This is 4. We already did, I think. This goes
Yeah,
with 3.
12.
Answer will be 12. As simple as that. Okay, so that's all about perimeter and area. So, Kavya, this all actually we are talking about 2D shapes, right? So far, we have worked with 2D shapes. Now, we are moving to 3D shapes. Okay? So for 2D shape, we just draw on a paper. But for 3D shape, we can feel it. We can touch that. Okay? So for 3D shape, we have one cube looks like this.
A cube.
This is the easier way of drawing this cube.
That's how I do it.
Okay, that's good. So this is actually cube. Okay?
Technically, don't close
That's
the
actually
door.
the cuboid that looks like this. The top surface looks like rectangle, right?
Yep.
So this is cuboid. Okay. So Kavya, in cube, how many faces are there?
6.
Very good. So just feel like this is a cuboid. Okay. So this is the top face, 1, bottom 2, this 3, that 4, this 5, and that 6. So total number of faces equals 6. Similarly, for what is in cube, the same is in cuboid as well. So here also the faces, total number of faces is 6. Next, what is the number of edges? Okay, edges. So what is edges? This line where two faces meet. So how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4,
12.
5, 6, 7,
12.
8, 9,
12.
10, 11, 12. So total number of edges is 12. Similarly, in cuboid also, total number of edges equals 12. Okay? The only one thing difference between this cube and cuboid is, in cube, all sides are same, all faces are same. In cuboid, just opposite faces are same, opposite pair are same only. Okay? Now, the number of vertices. So where two lines meet, there's a formation of one vertex. So this is one vertex. This is second one.
Yeah.
Third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh one.
Another 12 of them.
Eighth one. So we have 8 vertices.
I thought it's 12.
No, just feel like this is the cuboid. So this is one corner, second corner, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. 4 on the top corner and 4 on the bottom. Okay? Total vertices will be 8. Here also, vertices is 8. So, what is cube and cuboid? Do you understand? In cube, all faces are same, all edges are same, and here, opposite pair are same only. Okay?
Okay.
So the face of a cube is same as square,
Base of a
and the
cuboid.
face of a cuboid is same as rectangle. Right?
Right.
Now, tell me the answer for question number 3 from your sheet, given in page number 4.
How many vertices does a cube have? We just figured that out. It's 8.
Okay. And edges?
Number 3.
2. Question number 2. Number of edges.
12.
Very good. Okay. Kavya, when we want to find out the area of this cube, so one face is actually looks like, I mean, all the faces are just look like the square, right? And if we want to calculate the area, I mean, the surface area of this cube, so the area of one face is one face looks like this if I'm talking about this top face. So this is look like same like a square, right? So area will be side times width, side, okay?
Okay.
But in a cube, we have 6 faces. So this is actually the area of one face. If we want to calculate the total surface area of this cube, means for all 6 faces, then what we need to
Times
do is
4.
6 times with one side area. Okay? Because we need to calculate this area, that area, that area, those area, this area, right? So in a simpler way, we can simply write it like 6 times with one area, which is 6 and then side square. So this is actually the surface area of cube. Total surface area of a cube is 6 times with side square.
Yeah.
Is it easy? Very good. Now, in a similar way, if we want to calculate, okay, the next thing is volume. The next thing is volume. For this cube, this is the length, okay? No, we are first we're talking about cuboid, then we come with this area. I mean, the volume of this cuboid. First, let's learn about the total surface area of this cuboid. So, Kavya, are you agree this cuboid face is looks like the rectangle, right? So, the area of one rectangle is length times with width, okay? So, in rectangle, we say this is the length, okay? That is the width. But we have one more thing, which is this is the length, this is the width, which is height also. This is what? Height. Okay? Yeah. So if we talk about this area, this is looks like the rectangle, the bottom face. So area will be length into width. And Kavya, you agree? The bottom and top always looks like the same.
Always look at the same.
So for calculating surface area, just try to understand. Here we are not calculating just one side. We need to calculate this for all 6 sides, right? And in all 6 sides, we have two pairs. Because both top and bottom look same. This one looks same. That one looks same. Okay? For example, I have this one. This is looks like a cuboid, right? So this and that look same, right? This and that also look the same, and this and that also look the same. So
And I've got a cuboid.
very good.
This side.
Yeah, you
This
can
side.
understand by using this. Okay. So in all these 6 sides, for calculating all these 6 sides, are you agree? We have two pairs. Like this is length width. So here also length width. Area will be length times width. Right?
Right.
Then this is 2. We have this 2 actually. For this surface, this is width and that is height. Right?
Yes.
So area will be, for this face, area will be
For this face, the area will be
width times with height.
the Is it 4?
Width times width, height. So we have two space look like the same. So we times this with 2. Okay. Now for this top and bottom, we calculated length times width. For this side and that side, we calculated width times height. Now for the front one and the back one. For the front one, we have length times height. And for the back one also, we have length times height, right? Because for this face, this one, front one, this is the length and that is the height. So the area is this. Okay. So that's all about 6 sides. Kavya, 6 faces. For two face look like this, two face look like this, two face looks like this. And if we want to calculate the total area, total surface area, we need to add all these 3. Kavya? And you agree we have 2 common in this? So we can write this 2 on the outside. Now we have length times width plus length times width height plus length times width. Okay. So we can write it like 2 times length width height and height length.
Wait, can I tell you about volume? Volume is equal to length times width times length times breadth times height.
No.
Right.
That is the volume.
That's what I said, volume.
Okay, volume. Okay, that's good. Then it's good. I think like you are saying about this total surface area. Surface area of cube is this. 2 times length width height length. Okay?
Now I can do volume.
Okay. So volume is what?
Length times width or breadth times height.
Yeah. Or this B or H. Okay? Either W or B. And in short, we can write it like the total surface area equals 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay? Okay, so that's all about this cube and cuboid. Okay, now what is the volume of cube, Kavya? Because in cuboid, length, width, and height all are different. But in cube, all are same, right? So volume of a cube equals what?
So the length is
length. Means side times with side. And which is side with power of 3.
2. Oh, 3.
We're multiplying 3 times, right? The same thing.
Is it 24?
Why 24? We didn't know about the one side length. So please try to do question number 8, given in page number 5 of your sheet. The volume, you need to find out the volume of the cuboid whose length equals 6 centimeter, width equal 2 centimeter, and height equal 3 centimeter. Find the volume of this cube.
Volume of the cube.
Yeah. Not cube, this is cuboid. Sorry, all sides are different. So how this will be cube? Please work it out. Don't do mentally. How can you do this? Calculate volume.
Isn't it length times width times height?
Yeah, volume is length times width times height.
Or breadth?
Sorry?
Or breadth. It could be width or breadth.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. What's the next question?
First, tell me the answer of this.
Of what again? I'm trying to solve it. Is it the volume one
Yeah, you have to calculate the volume.
of the cube?
Cuboid. All are
Cuboid.
different. So how this will be cube?
Isn't it length times breadth times
If
height?
all are same, then only this will be cube, right?
Yeah. 6 times 2, which is 12. 12 times 3, 36.
Okay. For the same, calculate surface area of this cuboid.
Surface area.
Yeah.
Length times width, which is 12.
So you do write like
12.
this. 2 into length is what? 6 times width 2 plus
12 and
3 times width 2 plus 6 times width 3, which is 12 plus 6 plus 18, all times with 2. So 12 plus 18 is actually 30, and 30 plus 6 is 36. So 2 times 36 will be 72 centimeter square, because we're calculating area, so centimeter square. Okay, what's the unit for this volume, Kavya? This is 36 what?
6 centimeter square.
No, power 3.
Oh, power 3.
Times this 3 times. So in volume, power is 3. Okay.
But in surface area, it is the power of 2.
Question number 9 from your sheet.
In which page? In page 5. Okay. Find the surface area of a cuboid with length of 5 centimeter width 2 centimeter and height 1 centimeter. 1 times okay, that would be 5 times 2 plus 2 times 1 plus 5 times 1 just 10 plus 2 plus 5 which is plus 2 equals 12 seven. Can I do 12, 12 and 5, 17.
It's
17.
2.
Huh?
2. Don't forget this 2.
Times 2. So, wait. 17 times 2 is 34.
Yeah, very good.
And this thing is.
So that's all about volume and surface areas. Okay?
What's next?
We need to do some question also based on cube. Try question number 10, Kavya, please.
Cube has a size length of 4
Very
centimeters.
easy.
Find its volume. Is it 64?
Yeah.
What's next?
Okay, so, you know, the things that we need to be careful about in this perimeter and area is that don't mix up perimeter with area. Perimeter and area, different thing. Okay? For area, we need to write in. For perimeter, the unit is always this. Area, unit is this. Volume, unit is this. Okay?
Okay.
Here, the power is nothing. Here, 2. And here, 3. Okay? Why all of that? Because here we are times 2 times. Here we are times with 3 times. Okay? So sometimes, you know, what children do is they do use addition for area also. Instead of multiplication, they just add length and width. And also for counting an inside line of the perimeter, for perimeter, just count the outside length. And first, we need to, if we have figure like this, okay, Kavya, what will be the perimeter for this shape? This is 12, that is 6. Yeah. Tell me, Kavya, what is the perimeter of this shape?
Is this the volume?
Perimeter of this shape.
Oh, pyramid. This is tricky.
Okay, this one is 12. Kavya,
Yeah.
this one is 12. So if we add this one and that one, that also be 12. If this whole is 6, so if we add this and that, then also it is 6, right?
It's
So
like 2, and this one looks like it's 4. Like this is 2, and like
so this
4.
top is 12. So if we add this, that also is 12. If this is 6, so this and that also is 6. So answer will be 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is 36. Okay. Okay. So how can we
36.
calculate the area of this compound shape? Sometimes we would need to calculate the area of this type of shape as well. Okay. For that, may they give us some different thing. This one is 8. That one is 12. This is 1. That is 5. Okay. What is the area of this shape? We don't know what is the area because by using the side length, we are able to find out the area. We know the area of a square, triangle, rectangle, trapezium, but parallelogram, but this compound shape is none of that. So for this, we can build it like that way. If we join this side from here to there, this forms one rectangle, right? So we can say this is as figure 1, this as figure 2. So area of this shape is actually, the length is 12 and width is 1. So area of this shape is 12 times 1, which is 12 centimeters square. For this shape, the length is 12 and the width is 5. So area will be 12 times 5, which is 60 centimeters square. Now, for this whole shape, we need to add this shape plus that shape, which is 12 plus 60, which is 72 centimeters square. Okay?
Okay.
So this way we can find out the area of this type of compound shape also.
Okay.
Now please work out question number 30 from your sheet.
30.
Yeah, 30.
How much was first? 3.
Question number 30 given in page number 7.
Find the area of the shape below. That's easy. I don't understand this. It's tricky.
How to do that, Kavya? Same as that, but just the figure is different. You have your sheet, you can join the line there only. You don't need to draw it again.
Oh, that's easy, really.
Yes?
I've done this before.
You want me to do this?
I think I understand it.
Okay, please work it out then. Very easy question actually. All sides are given. What all you need to do is just join this line. And now we have two rectangles. And area of rectangle is length times width.
What is it? Is it 40 centimeters square?
Sorry? 40 centimeters square. Good. Very good. So, Kavya, now you know all those things, right? How to calculate area, how to calculate perimeter, different types of shape, like area of a triangle, rectangle, parallelogram, trapezium, and all, right? The volume of the cube, the volume of the cuboid, how to calculate the surface area, is there any type of confusion among all of these? No?
You just showed me. You just taught me around the class, and then I understood.
You understood all? No any confusion?
Understood.
No any
No.
confusion? Very
No.
good. So we can finish our class now, right? So
Right.
please go through your sheet by yourself and try to work it out. Bye bye,
Okay.
Kavya.
Bye.